Let's see how to use max function. Select a cell, type equal, max. This function returns the largest value in a set of values. Click the max command. Select a range. Hit enter. The function has successfully found the highest value. Let's see another example. Select a cell, type equal, max. Click the max command. Select a range, add comma, type 20. The result will be 20, because the largest value among the range and number is 20. Hit enter. Let's see another example. Select a cell, type equal, max. Click the max command. Select a range. Hit enter. It will return 0. If the arguments do not contain any numbers, max returns 0. Max function ignores text, logical values, and empty cells.